Morning everyone, I am Priyanka Rajput, Assistant Professor of ES Department SIRT Bhopal. Today we will learn about the automatic generation controller. In this topic we will cover speed governing system. In previous lecture we have already discussed about the introduction of automatic generation control AGC, its block diagram. We have already seen it's have a two diagrams. In the left side we have seen frequency controller, and in the right hand side we have seen excitation control. In the frequency controller we have seen various types of stages for the frequency controlling: generator, turbine, then generated frequency, this generated frequency compared with the comparator, then after stream valve inlet will open. And in the excitation control we already discussed about the voltage controlling, means we have required desired value of voltage, this voltage value have compared with the reference value, then after excitation control will completed. Now we have already discussed about the excitation control and frequency control. Excitation control is the more faster as compared to frequency controller. Cause of excitation control have no any mechanical process are required, but in the frequency controller all process are required for the mechanical purpose, cause of generator, turbine as and all. So frequency controller is the slower as compared to excitation control. Today we have discussed about the we will discuss about the speed governing system. It is a basic diagram of speed governing system. In this diagram we will see speed changer, hydraulic amplifier, chamber, then governor. Now we discuss about one by one. Fly ball speed governor means this is the heart of the system, which sense the change in the speed frequency. As the speed increase, the fly ball moves outwards and the point B on the linkage mechanism move downwards. The reverse happen when its speed decreases. Now second, hydraulic amplifier. It is also a main part of the system of the block diagram, cause it's have a two wall, main wall and piston walls. Both are process working for the inlet open and off conditions. Third one is the linkage mechanism. Linkage mechanism is a uh, ABC and CDE is the two linkage mechanism. It's a pivoted, B point pivoted with A and C, and D point is pivoted with C and D. Next one is a speed changer. Speed changer is the main component of the all over block diagram. Means what? It's provide the steady state power output setting for the turbine. Its downwards movements open the upper pilot valve so that the more stream is admitted to the turbine. Under steady conditions, the reverse happen for the upward movement of the speed change. It means what are we are saying in if we see in this diagram, you first one are a speed changer. Speed changer work whenever alternator speed will increases, that time this changer will move in downward directions. This changer will move in the downward direction means what? This is connected with the point A. In if speed changer moves in the downward direction, means point A also move in the downward directions. If point A move in the downward directions means what? B connected with the A, B points connected with the A, B and C. If A point is moved downward direction, means B points also slowly move in the downward direction. Means what? Flyball speed governor. If speed is changes, speed is increases, means frequency also increases. If frequency increases means what? Fly balls. Okay, fly balls moves outward directions. If fly balls moves outward directions means B points will move in the downward directions. Okay. Now next, third one is a hydraulic amplifier. Why it is called hydraulic amplifier? Cause it's change lower power level into the high power level. Means if point B is moving the downward direction, means C is move on upward direction, means D points will move in the downward directions. If point D will move in the downward direction, means pilot valve connected with the point D, means point D will also move in the downward directions. If point D move in the downward directions, means pilot valve will open. Pilot valve open means high pressure oil will enter in this system. Cause of high pressure oil enter in the system, main piston valve will move in the downward directions. If main piston valve moved in the downward directions, mean steam inlet valve will open. Steam inlet valve open means steam will enter in the system. It is a whole process of this block diagram. First note point is that, first conclusion is that, if speed changer move in the downward directions, means what? Speed increases. If speed changer move upward directions, means what? Alternator speed decreases. If speed increase, if speed increase means speed changer move in the downward directions, means we will take positive side. If speed increases, means speed will move upward direction, so means speed will decreases. It is today's our sessions. We will discuss about the next topic in the next lecture. Thank you so much.